Using the Autodesk WikiHelp. If I come up and hit the down arrow, I can go to the Autodesk WikiHelp. The WikiHelp is really an online community of people contributing things to the greater good. So I can click on this Revit WikiHelp community and it will fire up the Autodesk WikiHelp website. However, you'll notice this looks different than your textbook, and we don't get the same thing. This takes us right to our onto our regular help, which is based on our PC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and search, and I'm going to search WikiHelp. I'm going to say, what the heck? How come it doesn't show up? And right away I get WikiHelp no longer working for localized products. So we look here and it says, hey, the WikiHelp has been discontinued for Autodesk products that are using it. And so basically they are trying to rebuild it. And they give us some addresses here of if you want help, go down here and click on this, and this will just take you to the same old help screen. So hey, things change fast in some of these softwares. They change quicker than the textbook does year by year. They change every few months. Matter of fact, early on, a few years back in Revit, you had to have to load patches every month because it was so dynamic. So there is no WikiHelp anymore. So you can kind of forget about that. But we can go to case-sensitive help. Let's talk about that, for example. If I'm, say, in a dialog box, say I'm working on something and I don't know how to use it, I can hit F1, and when I hit F1 that brings up help. But a case sensitive help, or context sensitive help, excuse me, will figure out what you're working on and bring you up help files for that particular topic. I was in the Save As dialog box, so it brought me to saving files. So I can go right to that information. So context sensitive help is hitting F1 when you're somewhere, and then Revit will automatically try to give you that help file based on the task that you are doing. So once again, the WikiHelp is no longer in Autodesk products, and context sensitive help is when we are trying to give you help on the thing you are working on at the moment.